What is up, guys? I'm back again with another video. This time we're gonna be doing enchain. Enchain, I think that's how you pronounce it. This one. It's more like go like. I don't know if it's the same company or so, but they've got similarities. Yeah, almost the same. Uh, I don't. I don't think I'm logged in. Let's check. Yeah, I'm not logged in. Let me just log in real quick. Alright, we logged in. This is my account. I am currently VIP1. Hold on. Yeah, VIP1. Again, I can only do 3 tasks per day. This one is due in May the 21st. So let's head into it. It's almost the same as the other one. So we go to home page, click on, you can either do Facebook or YouTube, but I'm gonna do Facebook. It's much easier for me. You click on the task, click on collect task. Okay, so like even if you don't get how to do it from me, you can just, when you sign up and log in, these are the tasks. You like the video, follow the person, although it's not really necessary, but yeah, you can do it if you want. So collect task, succeeded. Click on jump. It's gonna take us to the Facebook app. Here's the video. Alright, so you can see the videos got 3.4 million views. I don't know what they're doing. They playing with the crocodile or something. I don't know if they're abusing it or something. Looks like they're abusing it. Okay, so I'm gonna like the video, and just for teaching purposes, I'm also gonna click on the follow button on top there. Then I'm gonna take a screenshot of the video. Yeah, that should do it. Okay, it's like they really abusing this animal. It's not right though. I don't know if it attacked them or something, but yeah, it's not really good what they're doing. But anyway, yeah, we've watched it for almost like a minute. Okay, so now we can go back. Come back here to the app. Click back. Go back again. Click on my page. Then click on. Oh, sorry. Supposed to go on the task page. Task page here. Sorry. Then there's this little button here where you click. When you click it, I'm gonna choose gallery again. Samsung phone might be different for others. This one, it's the most recent picture. Most phones, it's gonna be the most recent picture, which is the screenshot. Then you click submit, and just like that, we're done. So like, if you watched the previous video, you already know this stuff about the VIP. Yeah, if you're new, you can earn 60 kwacha per month. I think they're gonna allow you the free membership for 2 months, if I'm not wrong. Then after that, you have to upgrade. Hold on, let me just check. They recently put the I can't find it, but yeah, it should work like that. All right, okay, it's here. So ordinary membership is free. Number of daily tasks 2, price per complete task 1 in a day, 2 in a month, 60. So I'm sure by 2 months or so you should have 120. Then you can upgrade to VIP1. Yeah, there's just the other rewards when you invite people. and there's this little button here for customer service. You can click on it and it will direct you to a WhatsApp contact who you can ask questions. Yeah, more like just customer service. So as you can see, I've already completed the one task, and they've already given me, I think that was the two kwacha, the Zambian currency. This one I haven't withdrawn yet because I need to reach a minimum of about, is it 500? Yeah, I recently just upgraded, so I haven't reached that stage yet. But yeah, baby steps, and I'll get there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Not really much to it. I only do like 3 in a day. I've got 2 remaining. So if you feel like you just learned something, you can like the video, subscribe. Yeah, thanks for watching.